Go for it.
Oh my god, I can't get it.
Do it.
So
we are on the bus and we just arrived at the campsite and Jamie is having trouble putting her armrest down. I didn't.
They didn't have instructions.
I told her to put it up.
Push
it does. It says right there.
Where?
Honey. It says right here.
Yeah, but it doesn't work.
You're just not doing it right, honey.
I'm pulling it and then pushing
She is trying so hard to do this. It's funny. There's Mandalore. And here's Jamie. Okay, wait. Sorry, hold this. Record me doing this. Watch. You're getting a workout. I'll do it.
Watch.
This is how you do it. She was banging on it.
I think she pulled it.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna see if Jamie can do it now. Let's watch. Do it.
Okay. I think you pulled it.
As I normally do.
Oh my god, I've had that.
Come on, Jamie. Come on, Jamie.
She's hot.
She's trying. So it says right here. Look at the picture. Look at the picture, honey. Look what's going on.
Oh, break. Oh, yes.
Okay,
finally.
now do it again. Do it again.
Okay. Okay, I was trying to do it. Oh.
Here's Sonia. Here's Armanda. This is Z. I keep forgetting how to pronounce her name, so I'm just gonna call her Z.
After like 5 million tries, she finally gets it.
After several hours.
She understands. Works.
There's Tori. We're all tired. Everybody's energetic back there.
I was gonna go in there and take
Okay, bye. I'm tired. Bye. Say bye, Jamie. Say bye, Armanda. Hey. I was videoing.